Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of food going bad in your kitchen? What if I told you there's a solution that's about to change the game? It's the VAKUEN Premium Airtight Food Storage Containers, and trust me, this thing is a total lifesaver. With the VAKUEN Premium Airtight Food Storage Containers, you get to keep your food fresh for a longer period, and the best part is, it's incredibly easy to use. The one-touch seal lid is so simple, just press down the button to lock and lift it to open. It's quick and effortless. This product is well reviewed and popular among customers, many have purchased and fallen in love with it. The patented double silicone seal helps create an airtight environment. You can actually feel the seal when you press the lid down, it's like a soft whoosh sound, and you know your food is safe and fresh. The containers are made from BPA-free, food-grade plastic and platinum silicone. They're lightweight, durable, and crystal clear. You can see exactly what's inside, and they're resistant to stains and odors, so you don't have to worry about any lingering smells. I've used these containers to store everything from coffee beans to leftovers, and the result is always the same. My food stays fresh for a longer period, and I can grab it and go, no more wasted food or messy cleanup. The VAKUEN Premium Airtight Food Storage Containers are perfect for everyday food storage, and if you want to take it to the next level, you can use them with the vacuum sealer. It's like having your own personal chef, keeping your food fresh and ready to eat. So, if you want to upgrade your food storage game, look no further. The VAKUEN Premium Airtight Food Storage Containers are the way to go. They're a total game changer, and I highly recommend giving them a try. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.